guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to steal Nick Jonas' heart. So first of all, you got to look like Priyanka Chopra and only Priyanka Chopra. I am so ready for this video, guys, because my childhood was Bollywood. I learned how to speak Hindi watching Bollywood movies, and Priyanka Chopra, she is basically like the Angelina Jolie of Bollywood. She's very sultry, like vixen, and every time I saw her in the movies, I was just in awe, guys. She's breathtakingly beautiful. And who would have thought, guys, that one day she would end up marrying Nick Jonas? Now that you guys are familiar with her and she's made her name here in Hollywood, I think it's about time for me to do this transformation. So let's get ready, guys, to see me transform into Priyanka Chopra Jonas. So I have her photo right here, and then I'm looking at myself to see what I need to change. Definitely need double eyelids like her, taller nose, and then you guys can see her upper lip is fuller than mine. I had to bring out the nose in Scar Wax. I mean, I could have contoured and created the nose, but I don't want my transformations to look like a drawing. I want it to look like a real person. So I'm going to go ahead, apply some liquid latex as the base. I'll make it sticky, and then I'll put on the wax and start molding it. This is pretty time consuming. It usually takes me about 10 minutes because I really want to get that shape right. Once it looks pretty similar, I'm just going to apply some makeup remover on top, or you could use petroleum jelly just to seal it. Now I'm going to use my best full coverage foundation, and I think the main purpose of the foundation today is to blend the nose with my skin so it looks like my real nose. So I'm just going to go ahead, apply the foundation and blend it with my favorite beauty blender. Then I'm going to go ahead and contour. I'm not going to contour too much for this transformation because I realized that her cheekbones and her jawline is pretty similar to mine, so that makes it a lot easier. Okay, I powdered my whole face, and now we can move on to the brows. So her brows, guys, they look very natural, just naturally groomed. She has a little bit of arch, and yeah, so I'm just using some brow pomade and trying to replicate her shape. The eye makeup, I'm going to keep it pretty simple because I don't think she experiments too much with her eyes. But her Met Gala look, guys, that was pretty cool. Okay, so I'm going to take that brown and then just contour my eyelids and also apply it on my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take this lighter champagne gold shadow and create a cut crease with that. I'm going to do all of the tricks I can to make my eyes look as big as possible. So once that's done, I'm also going to use this mesh eyelid tape that I got from Yes Style and then just use it to create this deeper fold on my eyes. My eyelids are bigger, but they don't look like her eyes yet. I'm going to have to contour some more and create a deeper eyelid. So once that's done, I'm also going to go ahead and apply some black eyeliner. I'm not going to wing the eyeliner too much. Also, with the leftover eyeliner, I'm going to go ahead and contour my nostrils. That is a must. I'm at lashes now, guys. I feel like we kind of have to sing one of her songs to celebrate. So this is one of the songs that she was in, which was like super popular. It's called My Desi Girl, Tumka gira de, sabki dharkan mein kadam mila ke. Okay, something like that. But anyways, that's just a little throwback for you guys. Yeah, I also applied some bronzer on my cheeks to warm up my face. And then now we're going to do her lips, guys. I feel like her lips is her best feature. So I'm going to take this burgundy lip liner and make my top lip a lot fuller, and then also focus more on the edges of the top lip because she has a lot of volume there. Okay, lastly, I'm going to have to minimize my forehead because her forehead is really tiny compared to mine. So I'm just going to draw like hair-like lines all throughout my forehead, and then I'm going to put on this thick black wig. Here I am, all done and transformed into Priyanka Chopra, also known as Piggy Chops, and now Mrs. Jonas. So thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye!